How to locate Steam games that you already installed that you have backed up and no download needed. So I'm going to be providing you the very basic technique or a trick on how you can reinstall the game that you already downloaded. So open up your Steam client, and then if you go into your library, it is still empty here. Now, once you've deleted your Steam and you backed up those games, it won't be totally removed if you backed up it. But what you can do is to open your file manager, either to click on this folder right here or to use your search box. Now in here, just go into this PC and locate where is the main folder on your Steam client. Now local disk C, program files 86, click anywhere in here and hit S on your keys and go to Steam apps, and then go to common. Now this is where all your backed up games will show up. So here's what you will gonna need to do. So say for example, we're copying out Call of Duty. Right click, copy it, and Control V to paste it on the same folder. Now what you want to do next is to delete the main folder, rename the folder that you copied, and then just simply delete the word copy and the dash as well. Hit on enter, and then exit on your current Steam client and try to reopen it again, log in into your account, and then that game will show up here. Just simply click that and install it. That is how you locate Steam games already installed that you have backed up that no download needed.